Hello.
Hi, I'm Christine. Hello. What's your name?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How
I'm
are you?
Sultan.
Okay, nice to meet you.
I'm Sultan from Pakistan.
Oh, okay, that's great. Good. Nice to meet you. Is this your first
Same
time
here.
on Cambly?
No, this is my third class.
Okay, good. Well, welcome to Cambly if you're quite new.
Thank you. Thank you.
So why would you like to practice your English?
Uh, Actually, I'm a teacher by profession, and I'm teaching the same subject, English.
Okay.
So I just want to polish my English
Mm-hmm.
and become more fluent. That is the reason I'm
Mm-hmm.
here.
That's great. How long have you been there?
It has been almost 8 months.
Okay, that's cool. Good. So, what would you like exactly? Like, would you like to learn more phrases that natives use, or just practice your pronunciation, or just some speaking conversation practice?
To converse, and during my conversation, if I'm making any mistake or is there any need for
Mm-hmm.
pronunciation which
Mm-hmm.
I have to make better, just let me know.
Okay, of course. Okay, I have a website where we can choose a topic to talk about, and yeah, we can just practice. So if you prefer, I can just say the questions. You don't have to read them. But if I don't know what you're interested in, but if you go on this website, if you open the website, we can choose a topic.
um, I'm not sure.
Okay, shall I choose one? Maybe. Okay, there's one about English, so we can talk about English. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay, good. Okay, so okay, first, why did you study English, or why do you study English?
uh, I started learning English 8 years ago.
Oh, really?
I took admission in an English language institute,
Mm-hmm.
and before that I didn't like. Can you hear me?
There was a little connection problem, but now it's better. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, now it's better. Mhm.
So I started at that time. Before that, I was not very much good at English. So I took that course, and after a few months, I started taking interest in this subject.
Mm-hmm. Good.
So
Oh, okay, but in Pakistan, you don't start learning as like in school as like young children, or
no, no, it was in our course.
Mhm.
We were learning it or studying it in our schools as well.
Mhm.
But for spoken English, I took admission in English language,
Mhm.
so in order to improve my conversation.
Mhm. Okay. Next question. Do you enjoy speaking in a language that is not your mother tongue?
It depends. Why are you speaking that language? If you are speaking that language for, I mean, it is a part of your profession, then it is good. You should speak it. But for a normal routine conversation, you can have it in your own
Mhm. Okay, good. Um, how well do you speak English? And is it possible to learn to speak English like a native does?
language. maybe I cannot judge myself. Maybe the other person can tell me that
Yeah.
how well I speak,
Mhm.
because maybe sometime it can happen that I say I speak very good, but others do not have the same opinion. So it is better to know from the others. Second thing, if they remain in a company, and if they keep practicing their English and they keep communicating with the native speakers, they can definitely improve their communication.
Mhm. Yeah. Good. How did you feel about English at school, and how was it taught? So, what did you think of the teachers and the curriculum?
We were taught English there, like just to pass the exams.
Yeah.
Okay, so they didn't make us practice it in our classrooms. The teacher even didn't speak English to us,
Really?
so that was the problem.
Yeah. So classes were quite boring, and it was just focused on grammar and
Yes,
yeah. So it didn't feel like a language. Like it just felt like
yes.
another subject. Yeah.
Subject.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's the same in, I think, a lot of countries, to be honest. Yeah. Definitely in England. Um, we didn't really enjoy
You're
learning
from you're
languages.
from England?
Yeah, yeah.
You're from
Hmm.
which part of England?
Brighton in the south. It's just 1 hour from London.
Okay,
But
you are also a teacher.
yeah, yeah.
So where do you teach? In a
Well,
college, university?
when at the moment I'm not in England, I'm in Mexico. But when I'm in England, I teach at an English language school. Yeah.
So I saw your profile that
Mm.
you have also done CELTA.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So do you think that a non-native speaker can also do it, and how difficult it is for that person?
Uh, the CELTA, I mean, to be honest, you being a non-native who has actually studied English, you would probably do very well because you already know the grammar rules. Native English speakers don't know, like I didn't really know many grammar rules before I did my CELTA. So I think you would do well, yeah, with the grammar, like, and then yeah, you already have a lot of experience, or yeah, you have some experience in teaching, so that's great. Yeah, I think you could do quite well. I don't think you need to be a native, really. I think that being a non-native has definitely advantages because you actually know how it feels to learn a language, you know. You have been
Yes.
there and you remember like, oh, this is how I remembered this vocabulary, you know, this is how I remember this word. So you can pass your experience on to other people. Yeah, I think you would do quite well. Yeah, you just have to, I think, meet the requirements, which, like I said, I think it's either the IELTS or it's CAE, but I can't find it right now. Let me check IELTS and IELTS.
So let me ask you,
Uh-huh.
uh, how is the situation over there?
In Mexico. Yeah, it's a bit. They weren't very strict at all. Do you mean the coronavirus, right? I'm assuming everyone that's
Yes.
all everyone talks about. Yeah, yeah. At first they weren't very strict, so I put myself in quarantine before the government told us. But now they're being quite strict, and we must wear masks to go everywhere. And also sometimes they take our temperature. They have a machine, they check our temperature and they give us antibacterial gel. But we must stay inside. We can't go outside, only, yeah, just to go to the supermarket, really.
Uh,
But
Only the grocery stores are open.
yeah, some restaurants, like some restaurants, but they are mostly for takeaway. You know, you shouldn't stay there. But yeah,
Okay.
pharmacies, some banks. But luckily, there aren't that many cases of the virus. But I don't know if the numbers, if they're actually true.
So people over there are staying at home, or they are still going outside.
I do see some people out, to be honest. Yeah, but not as many. We can't go to the beach or anything. I see some people going, riding their bikes and yeah, but definitely a lot fewer people outside. And in Pakistan?
Because here, no, I'm not in Pakistan.
Oh, sorry,
I'm in Saudi Arabia.
Sorry, I forgot.
No
Yeah.
problem, no problem. So in Saudi Arabia, there is curfew, and we
Yeah.
cannot go out. There is a particular period of time when we go out, we are just allowed to go and buy the groceries. That's it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
our
I
rest,
heard.
all closed, all are closed. So the numbers are also increasing. So let's see what will happen.
Yeah.
Uh, I, today, it was my last day of online school because
Oh.
we have been teaching through this website online. So now I don't know what will happen. And in this month, we were supposed to go to our countries for spending
Oh.
summer vacation.
Oh.
So the flights are also cancelled.
Oh
So we
no.
have to be without our family here.
Oh no.
Let's see what happens.
That's annoying. Yeah. Yeah. So what are you going to do? Like, I mean, I thought that the quarantine was just until the end of May. Is that true, or in or it
People
could?
are saying so many things.
Mm,
People are saying so many things,
yeah.
but we don't know because the numbers are day by day they are increasing. How it can end soon. So this is the problem.
I don't know, yeah.
But the schools are off, and I'm trying to engage myself in some doing something productive.
It's good.
So we are also cooking, and just I'm also trying to learn Arabic language as well.
Ah, yeah, that's
Yes.
great. That's a good idea.
So I that's why I joined Cambly to just kill the time
Yeah,
and listen as well.
that's good. So you want to stay there for a while? You're happy there?
Yes.
Mhm. Which city are you in?
We are in Al Khubar. Al Khubar.
I think I've heard of that. Oh, mhm.
It is just next to Dammam.
Okay. Is it is
The
it nice there? Do you like it?
bo- yes, it is so clean,
Oh.
and environment is good. People are accommodating.
Mhm.
I like it.
Mhm. That's good.